The astonishing rise of anti-Semitism has brought back painful memory of the Holocaust. The nightmares of the camps, the cruelty, the despair, the human suffering, and the ennobling power of resilience return with intensity. I lived first-hand through two Romanian dictatorships, Nazism and communism, and later the revival of an old nationalism in my country. Anti-Semitism is a component of the national and nationalist ideology which coagulates evil through political and religious manipulation, the use of mass annihilation of a so-called troublesome community designed as hostile to the national interest. The disaster that follows has dire consequences. The Holocaust. When communist ideology became supreme force of influence and governance, it limited any individual choices, especially when classified as a suspect category. The contemporary world is marked by complex ideological diversity, which influence the way people interpret reality and interact. Now we found ourselves in a chaos of potentialities, and anti-democratic poison has spread like a virus. People seem to forget their experience. The danger, the failure of the 20th century history, so necessary warning today. The appearance and dissemination of anti-Semitic manifestation in today's Romania, as in the world, signals the beginning of a possible future catastrophe. This complex situation revives the 1941 dark memory of embarking in the crowded train they took us to Transnistria extermination camps, the continuous danger that hung in the air, the cold of the winter, in the desert, the hunger and diseases that led to the rapid death of my grandparents and their anonymous graves in the nearby forest. These are nightmares I often have, even now, at 88 years old. And I mentioned all this with occasion of remembering Holocaust Day to remind all of you about the 5-year-old boy who found out in the Transnistria camp that he is a Jew. We are here to follow a dramatization after my novel memoir, The Hooligan's Return, a shortcut to the book that try to bring together significant moments of the story. I think that was the right way to honor this important day.